years, 24 Akbar Road has been more than just an address. It has been the beating heart of the Congress party. From Indira Gandhi's political victories to the party's challenging years in the opposition, this bungalow in Lutyens, Delhi has stood as a silent witness to the highs and lows of Indian politics. But now, the Congress party is turning a new page in its history.
Be always nostalgic, at least for this generation which is alive here and has worked from here. But the high moral ground of the Congress can be seen that party which is age of 139 years old has no national office. And BJP could build in no time not only headquarters but many infrastructure. RSS at Jhandewala, and this is a good moment, great moment that it will be a spacious place where from we can work. And of course, without modernization, now political organization or for that matter any organization cannot run. You can see that this is a small room I'm sitting here. So is the case with others, and secretaries are sharing the room, general secretaries are sharing the room. Yeah, I was given responsibility to steer as a chairman of National Unorganized Workers Employees Congress. That was a great moment for me.
Behind me, you can see the Indira Gandhi Bhavan, the new modern office of the grand old Congress party. The foundation stone of this new headquarter was laid by late Manmohan Singh and Sonia Gandhi in 2009, but it took 15 years to complete this building. The party's decision to shift here comes as it seeks modernizing its operations while staying rooted in its rich legacy. Those who have worked at the 24 Akbar Road have high hopes from this new address, but many nostalgic memories of the Lutyens Delhi bungalow. While the transition may be bittersweet, the new address, Indira Gandhi Bhavan, promises to offer modern amenities while honoring the memory of one of India's most iconic leaders.
हमारी परंपरा है, हमारे परिवार और घर का जब विकास होता है तो आदमी नए स्थानों में बढ़ता रहता है। ये भी हमारा पुराना स्थान रहेगा, इसमें इसको हम कैसे छोड़ देंगे। ये हमारा पुराना स्थान है, पैतृक चीज है और एक नया स्थान आगे बढ़ने जा रहा है। तो हमारा विकास, हमारे पार्टी का विकास और संस्था का विकास, इसको हम इस तरह से देख रहे हैं। हमारी नजरिया में तो विकास की ओर जा रहा है।
तो ऐसा है जी, नया ऑफिस बन रहा है तो अच्छा बना है और फिर अच्छा ही रहेगा। जाए जी, वहाँ तो जाएंगे, नए ऑफिस में जाएंगे, अच्छे नेता आते जाते हैं, सब अपना कांग्रेस ऑफिस पे यहाँ आते हैं, यहाँ नहीं तो फिर आगे चल के वहाँ जाएंगे। नेता जैसे आते हैं तो यहाँ भी अपना कोई सामान कुछ लेते जाते हैं।
Well, as the Congress prepares to step into a new era with its new headquarters in New Delhi, the memories of Akbar Road remain etched into the party members. The building may change, but the legacy and the challenges of the Congress party continue to evolve. In New Delhi, this is Shivani Bazaz.
CNBC TV 18's most comprehensive and award-winning news show, India Business Hour, drops first on YouTube. So get the first access to the most influential architects of policies and politics, the key newsmakers of the day. Discover the big themes as we decode the business of markets, macros and more. Be the first to go to the heart of all the top stories that drive the day's agenda. Catch the award-winning India Business Hour live every night on YouTube with me, Shireen Bhan.
India Business Hour live on YouTube at CNBC TV 18 weeknights at 7 p.m.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.